Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the tangible parts. Inspect the jack and plug for lint, bent pins, or a loose fit and clear anything gently. Once done, plug the headphones into a second device so you know whether the problem is the headphones or the original machine. If you can, swap in a known good cable or adapter. That helps isolate wired connector faults and inline control wiring. This rapid hardware check saves time before diving into settings and drivers. Now focus on the operating system. Open sound settings and explicitly select your headphones as the default output. Don't rely on auto switching. Then inspect per application audio routing because some apps keep their own output selection. Switch those to headphones too. Make sure sample rate and bit depth match what the headset supports, and disable exclusive mode if audio disappears. If you still have issues, update or reinstall the audio drivers and any Bluetooth firmware. Drivers often fix invisible routing bugs. Finish by restarting audio services or the whole device, because many routing problems clear on reboot. If possible, test in safe mode or a clean boot to rule out software conflicts. For persistent hardware problems, try a cheap USB sound card or factory reset the Bluetooth headset to bypass internal faults. Finally, if the issue is intermittent, disable aggressive power management for USB and Bluetooth and update headset firmware when available. These steps often resolve flaky connections and restore consistent headphone audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.